Kingfisher mission is making better homes accessible to everyone, and we are achieving that through providing home improvement products and services to all of our customers. Hi, I am Mohsen Ghassanpour. I am Group AI Director at Kingfisher. Broadly speaking, our customers are either professional traders or DIY customers, and the most important for them to find the right product for their DIY project as fast as possible. Over the last couple of months, we've been working on more than 30 plus AI initiatives that develop on the Google Cloud platform that tackle different type of problem at Kingfisher. Our in-house personalization and recommendation engine called Spirit is developed on top of Vertex AI Pipeline. We have more than 48 different pipeline powering that engine. From customer point of view, our in-house personalization and recommendation engine significantly improved the customer journey of customer. We observe around 100% increase in conversion rate. And from internal point of view, we have massively improved the internal operation of our marketplace team through the content moderation service that allow them to review the product publishing on our website significantly faster than before. Another example is an AI-powered virtual assistant that we released in our French banner, Castorama, which is called Hello Casso, that allows customers to ask questions that normally have to ask in the store floor, like I need something to tile my bathroom, I need to remove my old wallpaper, right? And now they can actually ask that question through generative AI online in our website that significantly improve the customer journey. Google Cloud technology providing us the capability that we can move fast. For example, Vertex AI Pipeline completely changed the way we develop and deploy AI services, right? So from more manual process, we're moving to more advanced way of deploying AI technology, which allow us to move faster and deliver better solution to our customer. Generative AI is one of the big strategic pillars for us in the next couple of months, and there is a lot of advancements coming in that area, and hopefully we can bring AI technology into our stores soon.